In July 2025, my family and I went to Dairy Queen to buy blizzards in support of Miracle Treat Day on July 31st, 2025, supporting kids at Children's Miracle Hospital. Here's our 2 strawberry blizzards, and this is my first time ever getting a blizzard at DQ. I know, crazy, right? They put them in their campaign cups for the 2025 Superman movie, which of course hit theaters on July 11th, 2025. So at the end of the day, everything went well, supporting DQ blizzards for a cause, which happened to be my first time having DQ blizzards ever.